Welcome to the Indiana Farmer.
Well, hello everybody. It's the Indiana Farmer again. I want to thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and like the episode.
Have you ever wondered what these tanks are for? I'm sure if you're from rural America, you've seen them around. Today I'm going to show you what they're for and what I'm going to do. This is a thing we do in the summer. It's called anhydrous tank. It's NH3. It's nitrogen we're putting on. It's a type of fertilizer that we use. I'll kind of show you what's going on. I'm back in the tractor that I use for planting. I had a friend come by and he helped me move some of my monitors around. Let me show you. This monitor here is a monitor offered by John Deere, and you could do variable rate nitrogen application with it. It's a pretty neat monitor. What you can actually do is put prescriptions in it, and as you're going through the field, it will adjust through the field depending on soil type. So Cassie, she just helped me do this. I'm sure you saw that episode. So she wrote up a couple prescriptions for me, and we're gonna try them out. This is at the stage where I usually put on anhydrous. You can see some weeds coming through. Really need to spray it, but about knee high on the 4th of July. It's not really the 4th of July, it's the middle of June. Corn's just that much better these days. My applicator goes between each row, so if I drive straight, and I have to drive between the rows, but I'll be putting on anhydrous. The guy that I spray, he'll come through and kill these weeds, even though they're getting kind of tall. But actually, it looks pretty good through here. You can see some replant I had to do. It didn't make the video because it was only about an acre. The product comes through the hose, and then it's regulated by that valve right there, electronically from the monitor. And it comes out all the different hoses, each line. Right down here, there's a little hole, and that's where the product comes out through. Don't make fun of me, my knives are worn. So it's anhydrous ammonia, very toxic to breathe in, so I have to wear glasses. See how awesome I am? I got glasses, I got gloves. All right, here we are through the field. Got to keep it between the rows so I don't run over everything. I don't have auto steer. I do, but it doesn't. I don't think it works very good. I think I run over too much. Here's people in the tank. It's a really nice field of corn. Really nice field of corn. And I have a call. Hey, once again, everybody, thank you for watching. I'm the Indiana Farmer.